my God. Look at
People in a small Wisconsin town were more fortunate when they had their own brush with a terrifying tornado in late July.
I've seen them, but nothing like that. That is massive. Oh my God, your parents' house, honey.
This tornado, captured on home video, swept through the town of Oakfield just north of Milwaukee a little after 7 local time. Joanne Jarabic and her family watched the storm from their porch.
I'm trying to figure out what that's all flying in the air over there.
Trees.
Let's look at the size of this. Chunks of stuff. Whatever.
Listen to that noise.
Colin Nelson's telling me a tornado.
You had better hurry, because you're going to be in the basement in a matter of a few minutes here.
The tornado was on the ground for 20 minutes and left a path of destruction for 11 miles. The National Weather Service classified the tornado as an F4, although at one point it did reach F5 with winds over 260 miles per hour. 44 homes and 5 businesses were destroyed. 14 people were injured. Luckily, no one was killed by the storm. 2 days later, a lady in Norton Shore, Michigan, over 125 miles away, found a canceled check from Oakfield. The tornadic thunderstorm and strong upper-level winds had combined to send the check on its marathon journey.